Yes, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Corey the Traveler. Basically, today I've traveled. In short, long story short, I've traveled. I'm in the village of Nyabohanse. Nyabohanse. So this is the village. This is not a city, guys. I'm in a village today. Seems like this place, it has been harvested. And each time I come here, this place always reminds me of Marwa. He's a YouTuber from this area, and he lives in that compound. There's a house there. So I remember I took a picture here with Marwa, and each time I come to visit this village of Nyabohanse, and whenever I pass here, I always remember that picture that I took with him. So today I'm gonna visit Mayugno. So right now I'm just heading to where he's building his house, and over here there's the compound that belongs to Uncle Mo. So we are going in the beautiful village of Nyabohanse. So this is the harvesting season. Most people are doing harvesting in this area, and that is why it looks this way. Like the place, it's not green, it looks so brown because they've already done most of harvesting, as you guys can see. So I think very soon they will be preparing for another what do you call this? I mean preparation of the land. Yeah, it seems like there is no rain in this area because of the harvesting season. So this is the road that goes to Mayugno. I never knew that this area, it's always like just a big field. Each time I come here, there's a lot of maize plantation on that area, but today this place looks so open. Wow, these are maize cobs. These are just maize cobs. Mambo salama. Shikamo. Yeah, so the boy there is going to fetch water, and just look at the progress here. Last time I was here, I never saw this. It was just an opening. There was there wasn't all these big stones here, but today, guys, wow. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be passing. But the thing that I like about this area, and I'll still talk about it, it's the way it's so kind of green, despite they've not been experiencing or having rains recently. Because I can know, you see how brown it is, but you can still see the green part of the grass, and also the so many trees on the other side, and a lot on the other side of the hill. So that means down there is a stream. I've never been to that stream before, but it's something that I'm still thinking about it. Yeah, so I need to find my way. Mambo vipi? Barabara iko wapi?
Barabara hiyo.
Oh. Na Mayugno yuko?
Mayugno yupo.
Hayupo?
Ametoka.
Ameenda mbali sana ama?
Naishi ameenda Tanzania.
Oh. Oh, okay, so yeah, so guys, I'm being told that Mayugno is not around. He went to the nearest country, which is Tanzania. This place is so close to the border, so I need to make a phone call right away. I need just to make a phone call to let him know that I've already arrived. So over here they are making bricks, not bricks but blocks out of sand. Habari zenyu? So you find that in most areas here, when they don't have access to the bricks, this is always one of the easiest way to make blocks for building houses. So there's a house over there that is under construction. Yeah, so I remember you guys at one point you asked me, how are you guys building your houses? Because for us, we don't use timbers or wood. Most houses here, if it's not made from mud, is it always mud or soil? So most of the time, these are the houses here, they're being built. It's either using bricks or blocks, and these blocks are being made out of sand that it has been mixed with cement and water, like this one here. So that is a mix of cement, sand, this type of sand, and some water or water. So there's a couple of them on that side and here too. So this looks like a self-contained house. So the reason as to why they've increased the height, it's because on the other side it's this place, it's a little bit slopey, it's not flat, so they have to make the foundation to be flat, and that's why on the other side it's not raised compared to this end. So they usually put like sand, they use big stones, sand mixed with cement, and they make the foundation. So right now they are doing the partitioning. And in the next, maybe probably a week, 1 week from now, 1 week, and because of they have enough soil, not soil but sand and maybe cement, they'll be able to raise it to maybe another level. So on the other side there's one that it has already been completed, probably, and I came here, we did a drone footage, and the house looks super amazing. So this is one of the houses that it has been completed. Here is like also like in this case you find that it was also raised up, and these are just blocks that they've used here. So these are concrete wall, And I just love this type of window, because I don't know if someone is inside. If someone is inside, is able to see me, and I'm not able to see him. So I just love the idea of the coloring here, white and charcoal. Is it always charcoal blue? I don't remember this color, but it's one of my favorite colors, white and this color. So, and on the edge he had to use tiles, and I believe up there's like maybe a flat area. So this is just well done, guys. So there's another foundation that will be going up on the other side. So it's a nice, it is a very, very nice project. So I think right now we are just going to wait for him to come. Mambo vipi? Hii sasa ni kisima. Oh, so there's a borehole here. There's a borehole. It's very, very deep, very deep. So I think right now we are just gonna wait for my Igno to come, because he told me that he'll be here in about 10 minutes. But meantime, because I think he might need some drone footage, I'll be going to get my drone from the car. Yeah, so I'm just gonna end this video here for the for the part 1, and the series continues. Yeah.